Does your engine feel weak, or are you noticing occasional misfires when you step on the gas pedal? Your intake manifold might be struggling to breathe properly. We are looking at diagnostic trouble code P2020, which means intake manifold runner position sensor or switch circuit range performance for bank 2. This code usually pops up on fuel-injected engines made after the year 2003. Basically, your engine uses an intake manifold runner control valve, or IMRC, to adjust how much air goes into the cylinders at different ARPM levels. Bank 2 is simply the side of the engine that does not have cylinder number 1. When the engine computer, the PCM, sees that the sensor on bank 2 is sending an unusual signal, it triggers this code. The symptoms are pretty noticeable. Your check engine light will turn on, you will experience a lack of engine power, you might feel a random misfire, and your gas mileage will get worse. The usual suspects behind this problem are sticking or faulty throttle plates inside the manifold, a bad runner control valve on bank 2, a faulty sensor, or a vacuum leak making the engine run lean. To get this fixed, start by checking for any technical service bulletins for your specific vehicle. Next, look for any cracked vacuum hoses or exhaust leaks. Then, locate the bank 2 runner control valve and closely inspect all the wiring and plastic connectors. Look for burn spots, bare wires, or corrosion inside the metal terminals. Clean them out with electrical contact cleaner and see if the code comes back. If it does, you need to use a digital multimeter to test the voltage coming from the sensor while the engine is running and you snap the throttle open. If the voltage does not change, you might have physically stuck valves inside the intake. This is exactly when you should head to a professional mechanic. Fixing stuck intake valves often requires completely removing and replacing the entire intake manifold, which is a major job. Get it checked out soon to get your engine running smoothly again. Take care and see you next time.